Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then subscribe. Today I'm doing a DIY lash cluster tutorial. I've been getting a few comments on which lashes I use and how I do my lashes, so I just wanted to show you guys and put you guys on. It's very simple and easy, so I hope you guys enjoy. I believe these lashes are from the TikTok shop. They are the Rooney lash clusters, and I'll put the link in my description below. So I started off with my Run Wide Decurled Mixed Size Lashes by taking my bond, and I apply it only to a portion of my lashes, going from root to tip. I'm being very careful because I don't want any clumps in my lashes. I just went in 2 16mm on the corners. Then I went in and I applied my seal, and this just keeps my lashes together and holds them in place. So then I added more bond, and this was for the rest of my lashes since I like to do them in sections. Then I went in with my 12mm and I started applying those. And I'm gradually decreasing my lash size just so that I can get the cat eye type of look. Then I went in with my seal and I sealed those up. Now we're on to the next side. For this side, I did the same exact thing. I started off with my bond and I applied those to the corner of my lashes. Once again, I do not apply the bond to my entire lashes because I do not want it to be clumpy and sticky. Then I go ahead and put my 16mm lash on to my corners, and I'm really making sure that it's on good because we don't want any lifting lashes. I'm using tweezers for these because I feel like they work so much better for me. And I did the same thing that I did on the other side for this side. Adding some seal. I just added the seal to both sides of my lashes so that they will both stay up and firm. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and try these lash clusters soon because you'll be saving a lot of money with these, trust me. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know if you guys are trying them.